In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the unable to create account error in Elevenlabs, all in just 5 minutes. This is a common issue that some users encounter when trying to set up their account. But don't worry, we'll cover the steps to resolve this problem effectively. Firstly, you'll want to start by visiting the Elevenlabs website. Elevenlabs is a fantastic platform known for its free text-to-speech and AI voice generator. If you haven't already, navigate to their homepage. Once there, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if it's your first visit. This initial check helps ensure you're on the correct site and ready to proceed. Now, one of the most typical solutions for resolving account creation issues involves clearing your browser cache and cookies. Browsers can store bits of information from websites we visit to make future visits quicker and more seamless. However, sometimes this stored data can lead to conflicts, especially during processes like setting up new accounts. So, if you're receiving an error message, clearing your cache and cookies could very well solve the problem. To clear your cache and cookies, you'll need to access your browser settings. For most browsers, you can do this by clicking the menu icon, usually found in the upper right corner of your window, or simply using the keyboard shortcut, Control plus Shift plus Delete on Windows or Command plus Shift plus Delete on Macs. This will bring up a dialog box where you can select the appropriate checkboxes to clear both cache and cookies. Make sure to choose the appropriate time range. Selecting all time is a safe bet if you're not sure how long the issue has been occurring. Once you've made your selections, proceed to clear the data. After you've successfully cleared your cache and cookies, return to the Elevenlabs website. Now, try signing in again or creating an account. With the cache cleared, you should have a smoother experience. This process is beneficial because it essentially gives you a fresh start, wiping the slate clean and eliminating possible corrupted data or conflicts that prevented you from creating an account earlier. In cases where you still experience difficulties, ensuring your browser is up to date can also be a helpful step. Browser updates not only keep your browsing more secure, but also resolve bugs and improve functionality, which might be affecting your interaction with the Elevenlabs site. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the error and create your new account. Remember, keeping software updated and regularly clearing cache and cookies are good practices to maintain the best browsing experience possible. I hope this guide was helpful and you can now enjoy the full features of Elevenlabs without further interruptions. Thank you for watching. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more handy tutorials.